Heading into Aloha Friday with some cloudy conditions as a disturbance approaches the state. Some enhanced scattered showers, also with trade wind showers focused in windward and Mauka areas of the islands. A flood watch will go into effect for Kauai County as we hit 3 p.m. this afternoon until late tonight. Winds are still on the breezy side, but not as breezy as we've been seeing, 10 to 20 miles per hour and an 80-degree statewide daytime high. We do still have a high surf advisory in effect for east-facing shores across the state through this evening, but small surf for northwest and south shores.